Good evening. It's the time for the evening meal. Some people call it dinner. I call it a major affair. So what we're gonna do now is unbox dinner. And so, I'll take the glasses off now. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Go through each. Now, I've had some requests. More formal attire, less silly attire, and less crunchy. So we will not be eating the food, but we'll smell the food and look at the food. So let's see how this works out. Looks like we've got some sort of instant noodles. Some fun little drink. All right. And water. More water. All right, so in this first thing, I recognize some. So we've got steamed bun, salad with dressing. I never figure out what this is. It's some food. And then here, we have rice. Rice and meat. That seems to be the bulk of the food. So again, water, some instant noodles, fun drink, and that's about it. Any questions about the food, leave them in the comments. So, seems to be beef, steamed bun, I don't know what's in it. It's kind of like a pickled vegetable. I think I've had it before another meal. So, evening meal, formal attire. And, glasses back on, and you're out.